Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today we are here in Vertex community owned by TriPointe, and we are going to tour this new townhome community. It's located in Summerlin. This is near the Red Rock Canyon Casino Hotel. We are going to tour all their model homes. They are introducing 4 different floor plans, and we are going to tour the plan 1, 1790 square feet. It's priced at $486,000. This tour, this hung together, you guys. So welcome to plan 1, you guys. Starting price is $486,000. This is a 2-story home, 2 to 3 bedroom, 2 to 3 bath, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And as you see here, there is a video doorbell at the front, smart entry. As soon as you get in, you will see this nice open layout area. Right here on this side, I think this is 2-car garage, but unfortunately we can't view it, it's locked. There is a coat closet underneath the stairs. Okay, you guys, just look at your open layout area. This is the living room right here. Next to it is your dining area. And just look at this modern kitchen. It features this massive island in the middle with undermount sink, dual sink in it. Love the whole area, love the color of the cabinet, the green backsplash. Let's go check your walk-in pantry. No, this is not a walk-in pantry. This is just a standard pantry. And as you see from here, you will see your backyard. This is a perfect place for entertaining you guys. It's already landscape. Again, this is a model home, so everything that you see here comes with a lot of options. But overall, the entire first floor is a nice area. Okay, now let's go to the second floor. I'm going to show you guys the rest of the house. Right on this side, this is a loft area right here. Okay, you guys, this is a secondary bedroom. There is 2 closets inside this room. And this is the bathroom. Now let's go to your primary bedroom. But before that, I'm going to show you guys the laundry area. Washer and dryer is not included. This is part of the options. This is your primary bedroom, and the good thing about this room, there is a private balcony where you can relax. I think this is part of the options right here. From here you can view your community. On this side right here, you guys, this is your walk-in closet. Tons of space. I think the shelving, this is also part of the options. And now let's go check your primary bath. It features this dual sink vanity. Love the countertops, love those cabinets, and this is your walk-in shower right here. It's a decent size. Love the tile that we use. And right here, this is your water closet. All in all, you guys, this is a nice, gorgeous house. Priced at $486,000. If you are interested on owning one of this home in Vertex community, you can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. And if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed, please hit subscribe, like, and share my video. And tell me your comments, you guys, if you like this house. Thank you for watching my video.